And the care isn't just physical. Mental stimulation and play are vital, and we surprise and engage our whales at every opportunity. Play is how killer whales teach their young to hunt. For the adults, play is important too. It seems that they just enjoy having fun. Making time for play is an important part of life for killer whales and for us.
Hello everyone, I'm down here by the left side of the stadium. Killer whales love to play and they learn a lot through mimicry and observational learning. From the moment they're born, they pick up necessary life skills by watching and playing Follow the Leader with their mothers and other whales. And we're going to put that to the test today with Malia, Katina, Nalani, and all of you guys. And joining me here is my new friend Olivia. She is going to be our leader. That means the left side of the stadium. You guys are the followers. Everyone stand up for me. We are playing Follow the Leader with Malia. And what we're going to do is on the count of 3, put 2 hands to your sides and spin in a circle. Are you ready, Olivia? All right, 1, 2, 3. Spin in that circle, everyone. And stop. I think she's got it. Well done. And well done to all of our followers. You guys can take a seat again. You may have noticed that Malia was paying very close attention to you all. Killer whales are very curious animals. They're often seen spy hopping or jumping just like we're going to see at the stage. When she does, let's give her a big cheer. Alright, right side of the stadium, your turn to play. Everyone stand up for me. You're going to put your left arm out to your side and smack the side of your leg on the count of 3. Alright, we are joined by my new friend Corey. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think you saw that hand signal. Get nice and close there for me, alright? Keep your eyes on that whale. Killer whales are known for breaching, and usually this happens to stun their prey or simply to show off. Oh my goodness! Come on over here! What happened? I had no idea that was gonna happen. But you better bet great sport. Welcome to the Soap Zone. You can count on up this way. Let's give it up for our volunteers, our killer whale family, and all of you guys. As you can see, killer whales are amazing athletes, and they eat several hundred pounds of food every single day. In the wild, their diets are dependent on where they live and the time of year. Unfortunately, overfishing, pollution, and other factors are having a serious impact on some killer whale population.
Killer whales are impressive animals, and it's pretty obvious why they're the top predator in the ocean. That means killer whales are invincible, right? Wrong.
Killer whales depend on a plentiful food source and a
One
clean
more special to
environment.
the right.
They're completely dominant,
One more
yet
special to the
completely
right.
dependent.
When it comes down to it, killer whales are not the most powerful animal in the ocean. Their future depends on you.
Through your actions.
Through the choices we all make, we hold the future of killer whales and the oceans in our hands.
Killer whales continue to surprise and amaze us. They're the perfect ambassador for the ocean. Limitless, connected, powerful. But still vulnerable. The challenges that face can seem insurmountable. Don't give up. Be inspired.